Welcome to my YouTube channel, SM Wealth YouTube channel. Subscribe and video like and share. What does nearly $30 million actually get you in today's luxury market? Let's just say, this isn't just a house. It's a private 5-star resort. Welcome inside this $29.75 million mega mansion. Every single square foot of this property was custom engineered to blow your mind. Let's head inside. The moment you step into the main living room, you're greeted by wall-to-wall glass overlooking panoramic city-to-ocean views. These pocketing glass doors disappear into the walls at the touch of a button. Over in the kitchen, we have dual marble islands, Gaggenau appliances, and right behind this panel, a hidden prep kitchen built for a full catering team. But wait until you see where the wine is kept, a climate-controlled, 800-bottle glass wine display that acts as functional art right off the dining room. Upstairs, the primary suite takes up an entire wing. You've got a floating fireplace, a private terrace with its own fire pit, and a spa-inspired bath with a soaking tub carved out of a single block of solid marble. When you're paying close to $30 million, standard amenities don't cut it. Downstairs, you have a private 12-seat Dolby Atmos cinema, a subterranean 6-car glass showroom gallery, and a full wellness spa with a cold plunge and custom sauna out back. You've got a 75-foot zero-edge pool that seamlessly connects to the skyline views. So, is this worth $29.75 million? Drop a comment below with your favorite feature, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more ultra-luxury home tours.